Ansible user variables determine the execution context for your playbook. Think of them as setting the stage for automation, where it runs and with what access. They can be defined at different levels, from inventory to individual tasks, giving you flexibility. Managing these properly avoids permission issues and ensures a smooth workflow. Ignore them and chaos may ensue. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible user variables basically answer the question, who's running this show? This variable ensures that tasks are executed under the right user, avoiding those pesky permission-denied errors. You can override it in Playbooks when needed, giving you control and flexibility. Just imagine telling Ansible, hey, run this as admin, and it listens, leaving the user empty. Well, Ansible assumes you're okay with using the system default, but that might not always be what you want. This can lead to unexpected permission errors or unintended access. It's like leaving your front door unlocked, not always a great idea. Best practice: define the user explicitly so there are no surprises. User variables directly impact playbook execution. They control access, privileges, and the ability to execute commands. A wrongly set user can turn a flawless automation script into an error-laden mess. So, configuring it correctly ensures playbooks run smoothly and your scripts don't end up throwing tantrum. Missing user values. Ansible improvises. It first checks the current user, then the inventory file, and finally the system settings. While this flexibility is handy, it can lead to unexpected errors. It's like trying to enter a locked room without the right key. You might need some privilege escalation to get in. Setting default values for the user ensures predictable behavior. It's like always having a spare key. You know it works, avoids surprises, and keeps things running smoothly. Whether defined in inventory or directly in playbooks, it eliminates uncertainty and makes execution consistent. Explicitly setting the user in playbooks removes any guesswork. You control permissions, override defaults when needed, and ensure security. Think of it like reserving your favorite seat at the theater. No confusion, no mishaps, just smooth execution. The inventory file is the secret manager for user settings. It helps override defaults, ensures consistent execution, and simplifies multi-host configurations. Without it, you're flying blind. Using it properly makes automation smooth and predictable. Need admin privileges? That's where Become comes in. It lets you escalate permissions when needed, just like using sudo. Without it, executing privileged tasks would be impossible. Think of it as your VIP pass. It gets you access where necessary. Let's face it, nothing throws a wrench into the system like an empty user. Null references lead to crashes, authentication behaves unpredictably, and your database, well, it might start telling stories that aren't true. And worst of all, security risks sneak in unnoticed. Today we're tackling the chaos head-on. Bugs fear the mighty debugger. By tracking user failures through logs, catching empty users in error handlers, and running tests before things go haywire, we transform "where did my user go" into "aha, gotcha." Debugging is detective work minus the trench coat. A well-defined user is a happy user. Defaults keep things moving, validation avoids surprises, and consistency brings harmony across services. Think of it like baking. The right recipe keeps your cake system from collapsing. When life gives you empty users, write conditionals. A quick presence check saves headaches, fallback values provide safe defaults, and proper exception handling ensures smooth sailing. It's like setting up an umbrella before it rains data errors. An empty user is like leaving your front door wide open. No identity checks. Hackers waltz in. Missing validations. Fraudsters take a joyride. Proper user verification keeps your system as secure as a vault, minus the dramatic heist music. Want to learn from mistakes? Great, so you don't repeat them. We'll dig into real-world cases, smart solutions, and the best ways industry experts tackle user verification. Because knowing what not to do is just as crucial as knowing what to do. We've journeyed through the chaos of empty users, debugged the mess, and secured the fort. The takeaway: be proactive, validate wisely, and handle users with care. And who knows, maybe one day systems will finally get users right without our intervention. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.